and today I'm in the mood for some fun and exciting art and craft because I got this Toykraft seashell and sand combo fridge magnets. Sounds exciting, right? And guess what? I can create it by myself. Let me show it to you and you can create it too. I'm so excited to introduce this kit. The Toykraft seashell kit contains an assortment of natural shells in different shapes, size, color and texture. The kit also contains 6 seashell-shaped cutouts, rubberized magnets, colored sand, craft glue and an instruction manual. Using the craft glue provided in the kit, the shells can be stuck to the shell-shaped cutouts to make these mini fridge magnets. The colored sand is stuck in the empty spaces, followed by sticking the rubberized magnet pieces on the back of the cutouts. The final results look quite spectacular. You can display them on the fridge. This is also a fabulous gifting option to kids of ages 7 and above as the kit. These DIY seashell magnets look gorgeous on the fridge and I had so much fun creating them by myself. You should give it a try.